So here we are, Volvo first. Not a lot of change, mostly dashboard and stuff. It's got that beautiful new truck smell. I'm like a lot of drivers like I don't want a new truck, blah blah blah. Mostly drivers who never get offered a new truck for good reason, or people harking after the past. I love new trucks. So let's turn the camera around and I can show you some things. I love all digital display. Look at that, there we go. There's the gears. Counter. Speed. That'll be the adaptive cruise control, because it's got adaptive cruise control, which is one of my favourite gadgets in the whole world, basically. Well, you see it in the last video with the blue Volvo being able to not worry about actually touching the brakes. How do I turn this gadget on? Oh, there we are. With the on switch.
About those new announcements of the online harms
Turned
bill,
out.
and do they go far enough? Are we going to see? He thinks that it doesn't go quite far enough.
So, music. Telephone. Trip computer, auto navigation, that's good. Oh, I see. Parking climate, camera. I like the way once upon a time they just night heater. Nowadays, parking climate. I think it only works when the engine's running, the camera. Start the engine up, don't know why. Yeah, oh, there we go. Volvo power. Oh, I see, that's speedo. I don't know, and the roof cat's down there. Driver guide, calculator for calculations. There we go. Let's try a music station and see what's fantasy radio. You watch not a single one of these is going to be playing any music. Once upon a time, truck speakers were like afterthoughts. Sometimes even one speaker and there'll be little rattly old things. So yeah, just basically all the normal FH from the previous generation of version 3. All we got now is these digital dashboards, which are absolutely fantastic. All the information you can have on there, and it's brilliant. I'll put a little screenshot in here of the images when you are on cruise with the adaptive cruise control and everything set. So yes, let's go and have a look outside. So it's no secret that one of my favourite liveries has always been Mortimer as it was before. I mean, look, it shouldn't work. Red, blue and yellow really shouldn't work, but it does. I mean, look at that, that's absolutely stunning. Beautiful filled in catwalk, which is really good. So yeah, so that's the Volvo, that's the version 5 Volvo. Another one of my favourite things is Durabrite alloys. In case you don't know, Durabrite are basically, they don't need polishing, you never need to polish. They've got a coating on them, so you just have to wipe them clean. Because back in the day, polishing alloys was quite an arduous task, because I didn't do it very often, but on coaches I did. So, there we go, Vera Volvo. Why is it raining? Tag axles, are they checking them? Doesn't catch your legs or anything, because they're a bit longer. The benefits of tags is a lot better traction and stuff, but I'm not a big fan of them myself. The V8 men in Ireland love their tag axles.